Welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of stickers. Technically, if you have not caught on, I have made each kit kind of going with each month. Number 7 would technically be like themed to July. Day 7 is actually, we have a floral flamingo kit. It's a very tropical kit for sure, but when I was originally designing them, I just really wanted kits that you could use throughout the year, but also at least once a month you had a kit to use. And I actually really love these green tones in this kit. And in case you are wondering, because you haven't seen my last videos and me announcing this, the 12 days of stickers kits are actually still available in the shop. If you did not order during the pre-order, I left them up throughout the month of December, and there are different sizes, just FYI. I don't remember if I mentioned that, but there's so many videos at this moment. I may have forgotten to mention that, but you do have different sizes. You can get a horizontal happy planner mini kit also, which is just 2 pages. I personally printed out this one specifically because it's the 4-page kit, and the washi add-on was basically because next year I will be in a vertical planners. But you can order the stickers to cater to your size planner that you use as well. If you have a small planner, I suggest the mini kit. If you're using any vertical, you want extra stickers, you can also order those. I do have other sheets. And if you want to see like the full kit, go check my Instagram. This is past Gabby currently talking, so we'll see if I actually do this. So yeah, that is it for day 7. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 6.